Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Bluebird right in the middle of summer, it looks like. And the contrasting flowers, yeah, are always nice with the colors.
Yeah, they like little bowl feeders like that very much. And especially put nice things like nutberry suet blend, things like that in it, and kibbles and mealworms.
So this reminds me, on the last show, Richard mixed up some mealworms.
Yes, I did.
With some suet kibbles
Suet
and
kibbles.
left some for me. My bluebirds loved it, but not just the bluebirds.
Yeah, oh,
a
everybody.
lot of different birds
Everybody,
came to that feeder, and then when it was done, they were like, "What happened?
Well, yeah.
You need to refill that."
Yeah.
And I do.
Hello, this is Richard Cole. I want to thank each of you for watching, and I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share it.